how to create or add polls onto your Instagram story. So for that purpose, you're going to head over to Instagram app and you're going to click on add story. Now, once you click on add story, you're going to select the photograph that you want to post into the recent section. Let's just say I want to post this photograph and I'm creating a poll based off which specific candle I should buy. Now I'm going to do is I'm going to swipe up onto this photo and I am going to click on poll option right here. Now from here you can add the question, which candle is better? It's going to be my question, and it's going to be the purple or woody. You can also add another option if you want to, but I'm going to head over with this one only. And from here I can also choose the color options of the poll bar. I quite like the black here. And then once you're done, you can simply click on done. And this way I have successfully created a poll, and you can adjust it and see where you want to place it onto your photograph. And then you're going to simply add it onto your story, and that way you have a poll created onto your story. Easy, quick, and simple.